Okay guys, just wanted to go a couple of things that can be improved. I wrote up this little document here. I'll send it to you guys later so you can have a look at it. Basically summarizes everything. And so on the whole page, some of the problems that I just want you guys to understand a little bit about the psychology of the web pages as well. Promise to be quick, and this will be very helpful and valuable to you guys. So one of the problems with the home page is that you spend a lot of time and effort to get traffic, to get people to land on your website. And what happens is a lot of people leave. Some of them leave and they'll never even come back. And this happens when they don't get what they want and expect. They have a hard time using it. They don't know what to do on the page, and they don't feel cared for. So no matter who your website visitors are, they all have one question: what's in it for me? And one of the things is that we need to focus. There should be a central focus on the homepage. So it's either you want people to sign up, you want them to buy, and you always need to have a call to action. You need to make them take an action of some sort, to get on a complimentary call or to sign up for your newsletter. It needs to be one of these things. And usually, the less options you give, the better things are, because it just makes it simple for people to take that action. And so immediately, I noticed that you guys have the complimentary call, which is, yes, see, that's another thing. Just really get clear on what's most important for you guys. Is it the complimentary call, or is it signing up here? Both are okay. It's just a matter of defining things, keeping it, very well defined. And this is your home page. So I see the number here, but it's a little bit hidden because of the video. I know that this is probably going to get improved pretty soon, and I'd usually put it here just for the sake of making it easy. Most websites, it's become kind of a pattern to have a phone number here or contact information right here. And so yeah, I noticed, let me just check it out real quick, where the complimentary call is. See, like this I would put on the home page so people can immediately see who you guys have worked with. I would also put some of the benefits. It's just a matter of rearranging the content and making it better as well. A couple of things. Yeah, like this is something I'd put on the home page, because when someone lands on the page, this is definitely what's in it for me. Why is an investment in customer service necessary? It has a lot of data, has a lot of stuff. And at the end of that, I'd put a complimentary call, so they can speak to a consultant. So you can see these things are all on different pages. I would just put it on the home page. So it's basically rearranging the content from other pages onto a specific page and making it as strategic as possible. Okay. Yeah, so first thing, transfer the data and credibility stuff to the home page, and the little button for a free complimentary call so the person can take action. So that way, we can get them to sign up and also have our call to action. Yep, so right here, collect contact information with an email opt-in. I'd change the copy on it too, because there's no real incentive for a person to join. So for example, it just says join the revolution, receive exclusive customer service insights. Okay, but what's in it for me? What do I get when I receive exclusive customer service insights? So that's definitely something that it involves a little bit of research on my part, since I don't know much about your business and stuff like that. I'd have to dig in to give you something back, but just make this a little more specific. And here's something that I did for you guys just to get a better sense of things. So collect contact information. Okay, you have the opt-in, and fix the button, make the home page a little bit better, describing, the results you get and calling people to complimentary call. Got it. Now, formula. This is a little formula that we use because here's the thing. When I land on your website, It's a little bit hard to understand what you do, and there's a lot of information here. I only figured out what you did after browsing on it for a while. And these days, especially people when they're on smartphones and stuff like that, people are lazy. There's a good book called Don't Make Me Think, and basically that's how you need to approach web design and copy. Just don't make people think. Just make it simple, straight to the point, and don't make them take too much action because they really won't. Especially in today's world. So here's your headline: Changing the World by Creating a Customer Service Revolution. So if I was a prospect, I'd be thinking, okay, they're changing the world. What's that? What's a customer service revolution? What do they do? And then I go down and I see, a block of text saying, okay, so they give customer service content, consulting, training, products, give them a competitive advantage. These are the clients they worked with. So like I said, it's much better to show rather than tell. So you could put these logos over here just like on the website I showed you. But most importantly, the point I'm trying to get is there's a formula that a lot of people follow when crafting the headline on their homepage. It should be, I help who get a result by how. So for example, we help companies make price irrelevant and become the brand their customers cannot live without through customer service content, education, consulting, and training. So see, like, that sentence just basically sums up everything. And of course, this isn't your website, but this is just an example of, how this could be structured. So we help companies make price relevant, become the brand their customers love through customer service, content, education, consulting, and training. Enter your email below to get access to my proven customer service tips. So immediately we address who we are, what we do, how we get results for people, and who we're helping too. And to sign up here so we can nurture an email sequence with people, to nurture a relationship with people through email. Okay? And yeah, that's it really. So just have those calls to action, which would be, I think you should put a button for a complimentary call. And this is good to get people to sign in to nurture those relationships, and just change the copy. And put the logos here as well. I think that will make a big change in your stuff. And also finally put the information on what's in it for them that I showed on the other page that has all the statistics of how customer service helps and stuff like that. Okay, so hopefully I got you guys thinking a little bit about how to improve the homepage to make people stay on your website longer, take an action to get on a call with you, and to sign up for your newsletter. Next, I'm going to be talking about the About page.